Welcome back to all our returning visitors, and welcome to all of you new folks. Thanks for stopping by to check out our latest video, and don't forget to leave us feedback in the comments.
Luckily, everyone was okay.
Drivers like this are why BMW drivers are hated so much.
It looks like he hit the curb here in his moment of impatience. Leave a comment to let us know what you think.
Why would you do this?
The old Carolina squad almost causes an accident, proving why it's not only dumb but dangerous as well.
A mobile food vendor had set up just to the left of the road. I guess the guy in the black truck was hungry and wanted to see what was cooking. Instead, he almost cooked me. Close, but no cigar. Or should I say, food?
Gosh!
Sedan in front of me waits to make lane change, with no signal for exit.
Motorcycles were drag racing on the interstate. They had a flagger in front, two racers lined up behind the flagger, and one serving as rear guard for the racers.
Amazingly inconsiderate and dangerous on the part of the motorcycle riders. We can only hope they don't take out some innocent motorists, or a family one day with such behavior.
U-turn driver gets cut off by an ignorant driver. Ford pulls up in left dual turning lane, should have been in right one, honestly, and is thinking about getting over, but hesitates before the gap is lost as a FedEx truck pulls forward. The Ford then pulls a risky move, accelerating ahead, cutting me off and swinging across 3 lanes, almost failing to stop in time at the red light, which would have caused a T-bone accident. I'm not sure why the FedEx truck accelerated forward, but also not sure why the Ford hesitated so much. Upon getting up to the light, the driver was young, so that may have contributed to their hesitation and bad decision-making.
How is it even possible to be driving like this and not know it? Maybe they just don't care. The driver of the truck said, "Nope, not today," and just barely scraped by before the bumper cover finally came loose. I hope they bought a lottery ticket that day.
Brand new Audi being driven against the town's one-way system. Guy knows he needs to turn right, but rather than fall in behind, no one was behind me. He decides he needs to go around me and cut me off instead. He decided, quite correctly, that it was too tight a squeeze and missed his turn. Then he doubles down, and rather than fall in behind and go around the block, has to speed around and cut off the truck in front of me. Driving 40 to 50 miles an hour on a 20-mile-an-hour road? Mate, you're driving a 1.2 Corsa, not a Ferrari. From the dash cam from my office. This vehicle went through the fence separating the access road and the interstate. Fortunately, there was no oncoming traffic and they maintained control, somewhat, plus no injuries. A motorcycle passes us doing a wheelie on eastbound I-394. BMW driver has no intention of waiting for temporary light to change.
Someone seems to be having trouble maintaining their lane and merging smoothly.
As the white Tesla is passing, a coupe comes across all lanes of traffic, with a Dodge Ram following close behind. Just another Karen. By the way, passing on the right is illegal in Michigan, but if you're an entitled Karen, it appears it's okay. Yielding? Never heard of it. Tahoe saves wife's life from people driving crazy. My wife suffered severe neck injury and the frame is bent on the truck. It will cost $20,000 plus to fix it. Apparently, I was racing around the corner. Funny how I was slowing down because he didn't seem to be wanting to give way.
Hold on a minute.
I'm guessing the potted tree was not secured in the guy's trailer. The one running up the road on the right. The pickup in front of me, myself, and those behind me were all able to avoid it.
Oh, shit. Jesus Christ.
But someone up ahead must have crashed into it, as there was plant debris all in the lane. Such a narrow road as well to try to swerve on.
Impatient driver, swerving back and forth to make up a few seconds of time.
Driver of the Ford Focus mounts the curb while turning a corner and manages to get their right rear wheel off the ground.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to help our channel grow. And don't forget to leave us a comment to let us know what you think of our content as well. We welcome your feedback.